how to grow huckleberries in the garden or in the raised bed. Hello everybody, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. So today I'm going to be showing you, this is a huckleberry planted a couple of weeks ago, and as you see, it's grown quite well, but we have a problem here, and it is insects are eating the leaves. I just didn't have time to spray it, so it's insects have eaten the leaves. I'll take care of that later on, but the huckleberry is coming out very well, and huge leaves, looking good, and you can harvest it now, or you can let it grow a little bit more. But once you harvest it, you're gonna be more heads are gonna come out, so for the next harvest, so you're gonna get more heads the next time you harvest it. So that is the huckleberry that we planted, like I said, about 3 weeks ago. And now I'm just gonna show you, this is how we harvest it. Just break the top like that, and this is we eat the leaves. We don't eat the seeds, we eat mostly the leaves. So you just break the top or harvest the leaves, and you use it in cooking this is calling jama soup, and or you can add it to other soups and do other stuff with it. So definitely great organic vegetable to have, to be able to have and harvest it. So after a couple of days, this is it. You see more heads are coming up from the bottom, and within a couple of weeks we should be able to see triple the amount of heads, and we should be able to get triple production from this vegetable over here. So this is how the leaves are supposed to look like without all the and these are the seeds right here. Seeds are already coming out, and if the seeds are coming out like this, you can definitely harvest the seeds later on once they are mature. I'll show you later on how they are when they are mature. This is it right here. When the seeds are black like this, you know they are mature. You can harvest the seeds, and you can save the seeds for growing next season. So that's I'm gonna make another video later on, show you how to save huckleberry seeds. But this is same thing over here. I have some in the garden over here. They're doing well. So I know most people, when they hear of berries, the thing is you eat the berries that come out of the vegetable, but this one we mostly eat, but the vegetables, not the seeds. So as you can see, we have quite a few over here, which is great. I'm gonna be able to harvest it and save it. Also, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the description below. I'll try to answer as many as possible. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon so that I get notified of all upcoming videos. So I'll just harvest this and show you how it is. And this is it. That's the seed, that's the berry. You can just harvest it like that. I've never tasted it, so I'll taste it now and see how it is. Oh my God, it tastes bitter. No, it's not meant to be eaten. Doesn't taste good at all. But the vegetable, the leaves, is what we eat. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching, and happy growing.